this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Confessions of the Paper Edit Cut File Shop, where I'm going to use the Star Birthday cut file that you saw right in the beginning. So I got out the crepe paper Magical Forest one, I think it's called. It's from Crepe Paper. It's one of my collections that I absolutely love and adore for KJ. And it's very boho, very her, very everything is all about her in this collection. So the photos are of my daughter. She is wearing a wolf. It's a wolf shirt and she looks like a wolf. We had a wolf party last year during COVID, and her bestie from next door was over and got to spend time with her. And then we just had a birthday cake, and it was just the 5 of us, or 3 plus there, 7 of us. And it was a lot of fun. The kids enjoyed it, the kids had fun, and it was good to go. So that is what I'm using with my photos, and I decided not to do anything with the photos other than placing them in there and essentially go to town on embellishing this thing. So I did back the cut file off camera. I just used all these other different collections. I really wanted the cake to stand out as best as possible because it is her birthday and she loves this collection too. She always tells me that I need to use this collection more often for her stuff. And her photos, actually, all of the photos that I have of her, being a wolf and wearing those the shirt and all of that, I have quite a bit of them, so it works out perfect. And I'll probably actually finish out this collection with those photos. So sorry. So make sure that while you're watching me embellish, make sure that you go check out Confessions of the Paper Edit Cut File Shop. This has already been released in March, I think, of this year. It was for her 1-year anniversary, like her birthday hop. And so I will link that down below. Make sure that you go check out her shop as well, along with the group. The group is down below as well. Make sure you go check out the group too, because there is always freebies that she gives to all of us to be able to use. And then once the month comes up, she actually puts it in her shop, and then you have to purchase it. It's only free for the month, and then she does put it in the shop afterwards. So make sure that you go check all that out. That'll be all linked down below, obviously. Life update. Let's see here. Kaylin is doing better. Kaylin went to CYS for the first time, well, the first time yesterday. So when I did this voiceover, this is going up on the 11th. I had to go into school to work and do learn from home on the 8th and the 9th. No, the 7th and the 8th. So we went and did that. And so I did that. So I took her to CYS to get her back started, because she has been out about 15 days, give or take, from the time that we hit COVID to when we were able to go do something. Excuse me, sorry. So she has been able to get out in the open and all of that stuff. So it's been a trying time for her, but she didn't get hit hard. She got tired, and she did have some sinus infection and stuff, but it was stuff that I was able to treat here at home. So we were able to get through the quarantine together. We've been through this stuff before. I mean, our school has shut down plenty of times already in the last 2 years. Or 3 school seasons, 2 school years, or whatever. So we've got this down, and the daycare really helps. And then we did find out too that my daughter got diagnosed with ADHD and autism. So we are working through all of that. So yeah, a lot of stuff hit me within the last 15 days of my life. I mean, good Lord. I mean, by all means, we're good. I'm good. Again, All of us are good. It's just holy molantis. So yeah, I start school on Thursday. So when this goes up, I have been in school on Thursday and Friday. Obviously, this is going up on 9/11. So here, if you are watching me here in the States, you know exactly that this is the 20th year anniversary, and you know, we don't take it lightly here in the States. It's a very somber day, and it's been 20 years. Like, I remember where I was at, still to this day, exactly where I was at when the towers went down. So I do know that I will definitely be thinking of all of those men and women that were that was in the tower and had to deal with all this. And then, you know, on top of it, my husband going into war after year after year after year, and what our country has gone through since then. So it's, you know, it's been a lot. And yeah, so that's kind of where it is. And I just was like, you know, just saying that, hey, just take a minute to think of what happened in the last 20 years. If you are in the United States, you definitely know what we have gone through and where we have come. I don't know if it's the right terminology, but you know, there's my speech for the day, okay? But make sure that you go check everybody out. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am super glad to have you. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do traveler's notebooks, design team members, collaborations, regular process videos, all the fun stuff, along with my chit chat that I do, that everybody likes me to be on. So I am just going through and looking at everything, and then this is it. The still shots are coming up. I hope that you are all staying safe and have a wonderful day. Bye.